Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are building a website with Python and Flask all in 5 minutes. Let's go. So what's Flask? It's a lightweight web framework for Python that makes creating websites super simple. If Django is a full restaurant, Flask is like a food truck, fast, flexible and easy to get started. So first we need to install Flask. So to install Flask, we're gonna just write in the terminal pip install, and then we're gonna just do Flask, and I have already installed it, so it just says requirement already satisfied. And then now let's write the simplest Flask app ever. So first we're gonna just do from Flask import Flask, and then we're gonna initialize app, and we're gonna just do like this, and then we're gonna just define a route, and in route we're gonna just do the base route, which is slash. Then we're gonna just do define home. Inside home we're gonna just return hello from dev. Now to run this, we're going to just do if name equals to main. So it can only be run from the main file, which is app.py file. And then we're going to just do app.run debug equals true. Now to run this file, we're going to just do python app.py, and there you go. The server is running on 5000. Now let's check the website on the Chrome browser. So we're going to just do localhost and 5000 on port which is running. So there you go, hello from dev. Text is cool, but let's make it prettier. Flask uses HTML templates. Create a folder called templates. Inside there, let's create a file called homepage.html. Inside there, we're gonna just create some basic HTML, and we're gonna just do hello. Now to render this, we need to import render template, and where we are returning from the function, we're gonna do render template, and the name of the template is homepage.html. Now if we save this, now on the Chrome browser, if we come to the address and we refresh it, there you go, it changed and it is now using HTML. So in just 5 minutes, you learned how to install Flask, how to build a simple Python website, serve a HTML page with templates. From here, you can add more pages, forms, even can connect to databases, all with Flask. If you got excited, smash like and hit the subscribe. And let me know in the comments what you want me to build next, maybe a blog or even a mini API. This is Kaushik from the DevKB. Keep coding, keep creating. I will see you in the next one.